such.
Finally, the South African rand held steady on Friday as global markets turned their attention to this weekend's US-China trade talks. Optimism grew after a US trade deal with Britain sparked hopes for progress on broader tariffs negotiations. Moreover, the rand, which has been recovering from a record low in early April, was trading earlier today around 18.27 to the dollar, slightly weaker, down about half a percentage from Thursday. Locally, eyes are also on Finance Minister Inokoto Ngwada, who is set to deliver a revised budget on May 21st. In addition, analysts say the currency remains highly sensitive to any developments on fiscal policies. Meanwhile, on the JSE, the all-share index closed 1.14% higher, with the top 40 up 1.16%, boosted by gains in both industrials and financials. Market analyst Kristof Kruger wraps up the market's performance for the week.
Yeah, good evening. It's been a bit of a snooze fest in South African financial markets today, but the bonds are doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Despite a slightly weaker rand hovering around 18.20 to the dollar, the South African bond curve is around 6 points firmer on the back end. The R2035 is now trading at 10.51. That's a strong signal of local demand or possibly offshore accounts stepping back in. Equities are also in the green. The top 40 is now up over 1%, with miners leading the charge. Platinum and palladium are catching a solid bid, supported by global risk on tone. A dovish Bank of England, steady US equity momentum, and no real surprises from central banks, all fueling a calm, constructive tone across emerging markets. Rates are compressing, the yield curve is flattening, and it's carryover chaos. No big data, no drama, just flow, positioning, and a touch of optimism ahead of next week's big global catalyst.
With that said, let's take a look at the financial indicators for today.